Hello children, in this video I am going to explain how to find out the square roots of the 4-digit number by using Vedic maths trick. First let's recollect and put it here the 1 to 10 squares. The 1 square value is 1, that means 1 times 1, 2 square, 2 2s are 4, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 4 square, 4 4s are 16, 5 square, 25. And 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, and 9 square, 81, 10 square, it's 100. So these are up to 5 and these are above 5. So I made as two categories, up to 5 and above 5. If you have been observed, each of the number squares are end with 1 here also, 4 here, both. And 9, same. 6, yes. And 5 and 0. Okay. So now, what is this square root exactly? Suppose if the square root of 36 is nothing but a 6. That means what? When a square is transposed to the other side of the number, it will become the square root. When the square is transposed to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become a square root. Square root symbol is this. So under the root 36 means the answer will be the 6. 6 remains. In the same way, square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 100 is 10. Okay. So, and also we will recollect the numbers which has a squares ending with the 5. Okay. 5 square is 25. 15 square. 15 square. See, 5 square is always 25, right? Now, 1 after 2. So you multiply with 2 with the next number. 1 2 is 2. So 15 square is 225. 25 square is 2 after the next to the 2 is a 3. 2 3 is a 6. And 5 square always ends with the 25. And 35 square is same. 3 after 4. So multiply these two. 3 4 is a 12, 25. And 45 square is 4 5 is a 20 and 25. 55 square is 5 6 is 30, 25. So 65 square is 6 7 is 42, 25. 75 square is 7 8 is 56, 25. And 85 square is 8 9 is 72, 25. 95 square is 9 10 is 90, 25. So this is the easy trick to find the squares of the numbers which are ending with the 5. So let's keep all this on the board and work out how to find out the square root of the 4-digit number. The first number I'm taking, I'm finding for the square root of 8,281. Suppose you want to find out the square root of 8,281. First, underline the 2 digits from units place. So underline the 2 digits from the units place. Underlined. Next, focus on the rest of the digits, 82. So just check this 82 where it fits. Fit between. 82 fit between in 1 to 10 squares where the 82 fit. See, above 5 only, right? 82 fit in between 81 and 100, right? So 81 and 100, and you need to choose always the smallest square root. Smallest the square root is, square root of 81 is 9. So my first digit in the answer is 9. See, when you are finding the square root of the 4-digit number, your answer will be in 2-digit. Remember, children, when you are finding the square root of the 4-digit number, your answer will be 2-digit number. So in that, I have a noun that 9 is the first digit. Okay, now check the 95 square value. What is 95 square value? It's 9025. Okay. And now see the last digit, units place of our number. It's 1. Okay. So you need to check for the 1. Up to 5, you are getting the units digit 1 square for 1. And also above 5, you are getting in the units place 1 as a 9 square. So which number we need to pick up in these both? It depends upon the 95 square. Suppose if our number under the square root 8281 is less than the 95 square, you need to take the less one up to 5 value. So that is 1. Okay, I will explain with the another example. Another example is square root of 6084. Underline 2 digits from the units place. Underlined. Focus on the remaining digits where it is fits. 60 fit between 60 fit between where? In between 49 and 64 only 60 lies. Okay, fit between square root of 49 and square root of 64. Choose the smallest square root, that is square root of 49. What is the answer for that? 7. So my first digit in the answer is a 7. Now compare your value with the 75 square because my first digit is a 7. So compare your value with the 75 square. What is the 75 square? 7 8s are 56, 5 6 2 5. And you compare our required number with this 75 square. It is a small or big, of course. Our number is a big one. So check for the units digit 4 where it is in the above 5. In the above 5, the 4 is the 4 in the units place having for the 8. So the next digit is 8. Here is our answer 78. Let's try with one more number to get a more clarification. 3,481. Okay. So underline the 2 digits from the units place. Underlined. Focus on the remaining digits where it fit. 34. 34 fits in between 25 and 36. 34 fit between square root of 25 and 36. Always choose the smallest square root. 25. Square root of 25 is a 5. So our first digit answer is a 5. Now for finding the second digit answer, 5. It is ending with the 5, right? So it's starting with the 5. So what is the 55 square? Check. 55 square. 5 6 are 30. 30 25. This 30 25 is, you need to compare with our required number. Our required number is more than the 30 25. It's a more. So you choose the number which is ending with the 1 in above 5. In above 5. Okay. Above 5 where it is? Here. It's ending with the 1 in the units place. So your second digit is 9. So 59 square gives the 3,481. So I'll check with the smallest also here. 6,000. Okay. This one. Let's try with this one. 1,444. Okay. Underline the last 2 digits from the units place. Focus on the 14. 14 fits between 9 and 16. Square root of 9 and 16. Square root of 9 and 16. So you choose always the smallest one, square root of 9. Square root of 9 answer is 3. So our first digit for the answer is 3. Okay. Now for hunting the second digit, you need to check 35 square value. 35 square value. 3 4s are 12, 25. Okay. This 1225. Our value is more than the 1225. So you need to choose the biggest. I mean above 5 values where it is ending with the 4. Our units digit is 4. So here also units digit is 4. So the answer is 8. So it is a 68. Hence our required number is 38. So if you understand, children, let's try to give this question answers. Please try with the square root of 7,981 and try with the square root of 9,216 and 8,836 and square root of 5,776. So learn this technique and try for these sums and text me your answers. Thank you.